If you're a heavy user of your Motorola phone in the nighttime and you want to be able to stay on your screen for your Moto phone for a very long period of time without damaging your eyes, this is the night light feature. Most of you might know it as blue light filter or eye shield comfort or comfort view mode, but on the Moto phones they are called night light. So to find this feature as the fastest way, here we go. The fastest way to get to this setting is using the quick access, and you'll just swipe over the toggles until you see night light, which would be this one right here. A single tap will turn it on and another single tap will turn it off. Also, if you long press it like this here, it'll take you to this here, which you can also turn it on from here. And you can adjust the sensitivity or intensity, I should say, not sensitivity, of how much you want the filter to be. To the far left is the weakest filter, and to the far right gives you the strongest filter, which makes your display a bit more on the yellowish, orange, amber colored screen. And that's basically gonna help reduce that super brightness on your eyes. And also, it does help you fall asleep faster. Believe it or not, it does help you fall asleep faster. It does work for me also as a person who has difficulty sleeping sometimes. As I enable nightlight, even if I'm so into my videos, I do fall asleep with that on. Like and sub.